Hi everyone, this is Leilani Wells with AGL Yacht Sales. Well, I'm excited to show you our new office here at the Sunroad Marina, and the address is 955 Harbor Island Drive in San Diego. Anyway, so behind me you can see my big sign. I'm excited to show you the whole office. So we had just added this new display. As you can see, I started adding all display now. And here, that's my husband Michael Wells. He's also in our office, and he is a maritime law attorney. So let me show you. Well, it's here. It's still in the process of um, decoration. So, but we are practicing our COVID rules here. We sanitize our hands, and we always have our face masks. And anyway, we are not open, but we are able to show boats via a video tour, as well as I do FaceTime. At Let me see here, and I'm able to check out my my client's boat as well. So when I'm at the marina, able to walk at the marina. So anyway, let me show you a little bit around. And of course, this is my spot here, and this is the law office of Michael Wells. And you can see, hello there. So, well, when all this pandemic is done, I'm inviting you to come and see my new office. And for now, please stay strong and be safe out there. And give me a call when you get a chance, if you have any questions or just to chat. Thanks again. I look forward to hearing from you. Stay positive. Ciao for now.